Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the driver Dell Pro Max 14. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website. Okay, after that click on support and then click on driver download. So enter the model number, Dell Pro Max 14, and select your which is you using system tag. Okay, so all the same. So this is two methods to install. First, automatic, which is totally automatic scan and require driver install automatically. And this is specific. So if you are facing some issue, specific driver like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LAN, sound, audio, so select this. Select the driver and then click to categorize. Okay, so this is your laptop. Slow down. This is a Wi-Fi driver. So click to download. This is download icon. So it is completed. Just single click to open. Then click yes. Then continue. Now you can see this is successfully installed and then close it.